Hi friends, welcome back in our series of CMD tips and tricks. Today in this video we will know how to check your Wi-Fi password via command prompt. So without wasting a single bit of time, let's start our video. So for knowing Wi-Fi password, first you have to search the profile. So for searching or viewing the profile, type net sh wlan show profile. This command will show you all the profile that you have connected with your device. Hit enter. Here you can see I will select this one. Simply copy by Ctrl Shift plus C. Now again type netsh wlan show profile. Type the profile name in inverted comma and type key equal clear. Hit enter, and here you will got your key content, that is your password. This is the password of your desired Wi-Fi. Thank you guys. If this video is helpful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.